Yo, what's up guys? It is your boy Spider-Man here, back with another video, and today we are going to be playing some Roblox. Hope you guys are happy, and we're going to be playing some Iron Man Simulator, so I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I know this whole pandemic is a big fucking disaster. I'm not a big fan of it either. I'm not a big fan of working from home, especially doing schoolwork from home. It's a really big hassle, and I think me personally, I think there's a lot more distractions working from home than working at school. Um, with that being all said and done, yeah, before we do that, hope you guys can like the video. It mean a lot to me. Subscribe if you guys want more videos, and I will not say daily because I'll try my best to upload as many videos as possible. And I also take requests, guys. If you guys want to comment in the comment section down below what you guys want me to do on my channel. It could be Roblox, like you guys see here, Roblox. Or if you guys want me to review something on YouTube, I can also review a video. Let me know. You guys like a song? You guys like an interesting song? I will review that as well. I might hate the song, but I will still review it, guys, and give me my honest opinion on it. If that all said and done, let's get into the video, because we have wasted 1 minute and 25 seconds on talking to you guys about that. Let's get into this. So Iron Man Simulator is pretty much as literally as what it's called, Iron Man Simulator. And what you can, there you go. What you guys can do with it is, I'm actually surprised. I love how my skin like half glitches in this. It's hilarious. So if you guys want to play this game, I can actually play it with you guys, so you guys can join me. You can play it together. It's kind of like a free for all, so you can just kill random people for fun, which is what I love about it. It's so rampaging. Oh, excuse me. It's really rampage. Like, you get really crazy and you get really active up there. But I want to know where people usually go is near the Avengers Tower. It's usually where a lot of people. Where's Tresco? Is it like a ripoff of Cesco or something like that? Whatever it's called. I'm from Boston. I should know what that's called, but I don't. No, what's the thing that the Red Sox, Sitco, or someone in the comment section? Oh fuck! 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 There was a battle going on. Why is he firing at me? What did I do wrong? What the fuck? Why? I don't understand. I'm out of here. I am just not going to deal with that. And of any like ordinariness. Like, I'm kinda just wanna play in this match. Like, really in this kind of match, I wanna play. Fuck. I hate that you have to use your. What in the hell? Yeah. What? Where am I? Okay, newsflash. I think it blasted around the whole entire map. And I used 89% of my power. Holy shit, fuck. I am, like, in a group of There's a connection error. What this is not the first time this has happened to me in this game. So, I'm just gonna rejoin. This is not the first time, why? Roblox, Iron Man Simulator, work on your graphics, on the lag. The lag is, I'm out of here. The lag is severe, and I don't like it. And a lot of just look at the tab. Oh fuck, no. Spawning character. She's spawning character. Yeah, that's just fantastic right there. If you guys, also, I forgot to say this, subscribe and leave your notifications on. You guys will be updated whenever my videos are up and whenever I make a new one, which is always what I love to hear from you guys, about when you guys love to know when my videos are up. That is always great, guys. Don't really care too much, just like what I do. I mean, only some people, I bet you, are gonna just subscribe for my Roblox vids. I fucked this game up. This game has severe lag. I don't understand what is up with it, but I'm gonna try one more time, guys. If this happens again, we will leave, and I will be sure to do another video on this game. If you guys liked it, if not, that's perfectly fine. But whatever is up to you guys. What do you guys want me to do? I will be up for it. Up for it. I just wanna meet up to your guys' standards. Want to make you guys happy because you guys are the viewers. I'm just a guy recording a video. Jesus Christ, this guy is pissed. Or not, who knows. In Roblox, they count a lot of things, I swear. Like, I could watch it, I could write, this is just daddy, and then it counts it as a swear. I don't understand why it does that, but I think I might just leave. Leave him before he even says. So I might be the screen caster or screenomatic or whatever the atomic videos. I'm not sure if that may be the reason, but other than that, a lot of games do run fine within the background. But that will be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. And like I said earlier, please subscribe to your boy Spider-Man here. It means a hell of a lot to me. Even if it's just one subscriber, it makes me know that I'm doing stuff right and that I am meeting up to you guys' expectations. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you guys like to, you guys like me to do certain stuff, like me to play more Roblox, like me to review music content on YouTube, like me to react to videos, whatever you guys want, I will do that for you guys. But guys, remember, if you guys want me to react to a video, make the video appropriate and video, song, whatever you guys want me to do, music video of a song, let me know down in the comment section below. And before one of you little kids asks, how does a video get picked? A video gets picked by the amount of likes that are on the video, ranging to if the only video has one like, I will literally do that. If there's no other video or no other likes, I may review that video, or whatever you guys want me to do. So that is how it works. And like I said earlier, subscribe to me, put on that post, click the bell, comment, and subscribe for more great content. This is your boy Spider-Man. Peace.